In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in Notion. To begin, open the Notion website in your browser and sign in if you aren't already. On the left sidebar, click New Page. This creates a fresh workspace for your form. Give your page a clear name, something like Create a Form, so you'll recognize it later and keep your workspace organized. With the page open, use Notion's quick command to insert a form. Type // and start typing form. Then choose form from the menu that appears. Notion will drop a blank form onto your page, ready for you to customize. At the top of the form, set the title. This is what people see first, so make it specific, such as registration form. A descriptive title helps guests instantly understand what they're filling out. To make the page look polished and professional, you can add visual touches. Click. Add icon to pick a simple, recognizable icon that matches your purpose. Then click. Add cover to choose a banner image. You can browse options and select one that fits your event or brand. These small design choices improve trust and readability. Now it's time to add questions. Click into the first question field and set it to full name to capture a person's name. Continue with any other information you need, such as contact details or relevant preferences. Keep each prompt short and clear so guests know exactly what to enter. Whenever you want another question, click the plus button next to the form to add a new one. Repeat this to build out your entire form. If you need to adjust the order, drag questions up or down until the flow feels natural. Think about the experience for your guests. Start with simple basics, then move into details. When your form looks good and all your questions are in place, you're ready to share it. Click Share in the top right. From here, you can grab the share link and paste it into an email to your guests. Sending a direct link makes it easy for people to open the form on any device and respond quickly. That's all it takes to create a clean, professional form in Notion. New page, /form, title and visuals, add your questions and share the link with your audience. Keep your labels consistent and concise and aim for a logical flow. Clear wording helps guests complete the form confidently and keeps responses accurate and easy to review.